Delicious and easy recipes that go perfectly with cornbread. Starting with a sweet combination of one of the most indestructible foods in the world, honey, and one of the most beloved bread types, cornbread. The idea here is quite simple. Spread honey over pieces of cornbread and then eat it as a breakfast food. You can then add more stuff into the mixture like milk or some fruits. The beauty of this arrangement is in its simplicity, so you need to be an experienced chef to make it happen quickly and easily. A perfect sweet solution for a Sunday morning breakfast. Another great way to start your day is a hearty breakfast with cornbread and some finely roasted pork as the main course. You can pull off this arrangement in several different ways. For example, you can make some cornbread and then serve some bacon separately, so anyone can take as much of as they please. Some folks may like bacon with cornbread and some may like cornbread and bacon. It all depends on what you put your accent on. There's something about cornbread that makes it perfect for a breakfast sort of environment. It could be that it's a relatively light meal, which is easy to digest, but it also gives you plenty of energy to start your day. Be that as it may, this suggestion encompasses pairing up cornbread with hot dogs. It's not a secret that cheese is one of the biggest multi-tools of the culinary world. Do you want to enhance your pizza? Get a special sort of cheese on top of it and there you have it. Do you fancy improving your cornmeal with some sort of cheese-based topping? Well, get some cheese on it then. As simple as that. Of course, if you're a gourmand sort of person, it may not be as simple as that. There are as many possibilities in this department as there are kinds of cheese, so whether you have mozzarella, cheddar, or parmigiana, you can put some of it on your cornbread without worrying you've made a mistake. Indeed, cornbread is a great base for so many culinary combinations because of its soothing neutral taste. You can make the resulting combination sweet, bitter, full of calories, remember that bacon arrangement, or even spicy. If you're a fan of Indian or Mexican food, all you need to do is get some spicy paprika or, indeed, jalapenos, and mix them up into the cornbread dough. The resulting mixture will both taste spicy and look spicy, which is great in case you're an avid food photographer, as well as the consumer. We've mentioned breakfast a couple of times already in this article, but if there's a combination out there that's more suitable for breakfast than a cornbread and milk combo, we'd very much like to hear about it. Cornbread and milk meal represents a perfect mixture for a light on the stomach yet energizing start to your day, so if you're sort of short on the ideas of what to make for you and your family, but you have some cornmeal and milk laying around, there's your solution. In case you're looking forward to eating cornbread, but still, miss the rich flavor of bacon, here's a curious suggestion. How about you pair up your cornbread with some freshly roasted barbecue meat? The meat will provide the necessary taste and energy punch, while the cornbread will get you a smooth and soft touch to counteract the barbecue meat. Another meat-based cornbread arrangement would be to pair up fried chicken with some cornbread. The resulting combination will give you plenty of energy thanks to the meat, and then a lot of texture thanks to the cornbread. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.